least in heaven I can skate.
Hey, what's up everyone? So this Jart board has lasted me 3 months. I want to keep skating it, but it's time for a new one. Look at the cracks on this sucker. So yeah, Jart's an amazing company, amazing boards, lasted me 3 months, still haven't broken it, but it's time for a new setup. So I'm gonna set up my new sponsored board, Tuck Skateboards. Tuck Skateboard. That's the design right there. 30-day guarantee against breakage. 30 days, so we're gonna have to test this out and see if I can break it within 30 days, but I'm gonna try to land bolts obviously. So let's set up this new board. This thing has major cracks everywhere. I'm riding Destructo trucks, Retina wheels, and Bones bearings. So let's get this set up on the go. Strongest and most resilient, lighter and stronger than standard 7-ply. Every deck feels exactly the same. We'll be riding Jessup grip this time instead of Mob. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, but there is major cracks in this board all over. I think the only reason why this didn't break was because I was using riser pads on this setup. I had a device called Ollie and it tracks your skateboarding, and I ended up breaking it, but the company said that's because I was using riser pads. So this time I'm not going to put risers on my board, even though I kind of got used to it. But you know, like if you're a good skater, you can get used to skating anything. Makes me sad that I didn't break this board, even though it's like cracked to heck and chipped. Time to put the trucks on this beast. That hardware is all bent. So no risers this time. So hopefully it doesn't impact my skating. Alright, all set up, ready to go. I noticed my trucks seem to be on the base plate a little warped. And to all the hardware companies out there, don't do Allen key hardware. They strip so quickly. I literally just took it off once, went to put them back on and stripped it completely out, so I can't even get it off. But yeah, we're ready to skate now and test this bad boy out. Time to shred this new Tuck board, see how strong it is. Let's do a pop test. Pop feels pretty good, so let's go take it on the step up. So far, the Tuck board has amazing pop. I love it. Trying triple kickflips in my board. Hey Tyler, I'm so sorry, bro.
It's all good.
Glad you're okay though. Loving this new Tuck board. So far, I'm loving this Tuck skateboard. It is super solid. I don't see any pressure cracks at all. Also, whatever they coat it with, I think that's the fiberglass, makes it so slick. Anyways, I got 30 days to test this bad boy out because it's 30-day guaranteed against breakage, so we're just gonna have to give it ham. Anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Peace out.